If you're planning to design and build your dream home, but you're not thinking about indoor-outdoor connection, you might be making a big mistake, one that you'll regret in the future. If you already know about the concept of indoor-outdoor connection, congrats. If you don't, also congrats, because you're about to learn why it's such a fundamental feature in modern home design and how you can incorporate it into your future dream home. Hi, my name is Sofia Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and today we're diving into... Wait, I already mentioned it, so let's not waste any more time. Doors play a fundamental role in your home. They literally serve as the connection between spaces. But traditional doors can sometimes feel like barriers, separating your home from the outdoors instead of inviting and connecting it. Today, there are various types of large format exterior doors, but in this video, I'll focus on two brands, Weathershield and NanaWall, because after years of experience, these are the brands that we trust for their quality and durability. So let's start with Weathershield. This brand offers a range of high-performance doors designed to match modern aesthetics and practical needs. Let me introduce 5 types of large format doors from their contemporary collection. Number 1, bifold doors. Bifold doors offer a sleek and stylish way to open your home to the outdoors, creating a dramatic folding glass wall that seamlessly extends your living space. They maximize glass exposure, flooding your home with natural light, all while maintaining a modern, minimalist aesthetic. Perfect for those who want a wide open feel. Bifold doors blend beauty and function effortlessly. Number 2, hinged patio doors. For a clean, minimalist look, hinged patio doors are a timeless choice. Their square interior profiles enhance modern architecture, while also maximizing your home's view. These doors offer both elegance and practicality, making them a perfect fit for any contemporary space. Number 3, multi-slide doors. Do you want to create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection? Then multi-slide doors are your answer. Designed to span large openings, they bring in natural light and fresh air while maintaining unobstructed views. With slim-line frames for a modern aesthetic, these doors also enhance warmth and energy efficiency, making them both stylish and smart. Number 4, next-gen sliding patio doors redefine modern design with their streamlined, slim profiles and maximized glass exposure. They provide unobstructed views while optimizing natural light and energy efficiency. Their versatile design makes them a great fit for any contemporary space, offering the perfect balance of style and function. Number 5, sliding patio doors. Sliding patio doors offer a sleek, modern way to expand your living space. Their slimline design brings in more natural light, creating an open and airy feel. Built for low maintenance, they feature durable clad exteriors that resist rot and decay, and no painting required. Plus, Weathershield's thermal performance ensures comfort and efficiency year-round. Now it's time for NanaWall to showcase their options. Specializing in high-quality glass wall systems, NanaWall offers a range of doors that can transform your home's design. Let's look at 3 standout products from their collection. Number 1, folding glass doors. Want to open up your space and seamlessly connect indoors with outdoors? Folding glass doors create wide, unobstructed openings, making your home feel bigger and brighter. They're energy efficient, keeping your home comfortable year-round. And they effortlessly open with just one hand. Built to withstand extreme weather, they offer style, durability, and performance. Perfect for modern homes looking to bring the outdoors in. Number 2, sliding glass doors. If you're after a sleek, minimalist design, then sliding glass doors are the way to go. With ultra-thin lines and narrow panel rails, they maximize natural light and panoramic views, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Built for smooth, effortless operation, they feature an innovative roller system and a secure multi-point locking system. NanaWall's sliding glass doors are where architectural elegance meets high-end functionality. Number 3, stacking glass doors. For ultimate flexibility, stacking glass doors allow you to customize any size or shape of opening. The panels stack neatly in different configurations, giving you unobstructed views and adaptable layouts for any space. Designed to withstand any climate, They provide top-tier insulation and weatherproofing, ensuring that your home stays comfortable and protected. A versatile, high-performance solution, these doors blend beauty and practicality. Perfect for homeowners looking for a high-functioning, stylish addition. It's amazing to have so many options to choose from. I know that's a lot of information, but keep in mind that each type of door has more specifications and details that might be a better fit for different spaces in your home. So I'm attaching all the links to their websites below. That way you can explore the differences and find the best option for you. And remember, staying connected with the outside world, nature, and fresh air isn't just great for your home, it's great for your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. That really helps us grow and bring you new content every week. Also, if you have any questions or want us to cover a specific topic in a future video, let us know in the comments section. And if you're ready to start planning your dream home, contact us today to schedule a discovery call. Open your doors to outdoor spaces and open your mind to better solutions. Until next time.